I chose 3rd grade literature. The Common Core is that they will need to be able to ask and answer questions to demonstrate understanding of a text, referring explicitly to the text as the basis for the answers. For the lesson plan, the introduction, you'll ask the class, have you ever felt sad and left out of your class at school or a group of friends? Then you'll call on a student and ask if they can tell a 1-minute story about how they felt left out. Then you'll tell the class, today we'll be learning about a boy named Tony, and he felt left out in his family and his class. We are going to try to figure out the problem, what is wrong, and the solution, how we can fix it in the story. Explicit instruction. Share with the class, in order to figure out the problem and solution, we need to be like detectives and learn to ask and answer questions. Asking and answering questions also helps us understand the story better. I'm going to show you how to ask and answer the first few questions, and partway through the story it will be your turn to ask and answer questions on your own. You'll start reading You Can Do It by Tony to the class. Stop after page 2, ask, what are the problems Tony is having already? Can you think of any solutions for Tony? Read pages 3 through 4 and ask, how's Tony's brother trying to help him fix his problems? Tell the students you'll keep reading, and the next time you stop, it will be their turn to ask each other questions about the story. Keep reading until page 11. Stop at page 11. Give students each a chance to ask a question to their neighbor to check for understanding of the problem in the text. Tell the students you have 1 minute to turn and ask your partner a question about the story. You may want to ask your partner a question to see if they understand Tony's problem now. Go. You can ask 1 to 2 groups to share the questions and answers they shared with their partners. You should now finish reading the story. Independent work. Tell students to each write down 2 more questions they have about the story on a sticky note. Allow students to share their questions and discuss them with partners. This activity will help show if they understand the text and the problems and how to ask questions.